I start by breaking down a whole rotisserie chicken, shredding them into smaller pieces. I chop up some green onions and some parsley and throw that in the mix as well. I add 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, 3 tablespoons of ranch, and a 1/4 cup of Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce. Mix all that together with a couple of pinches of my seasoning blend and you're ready to fill your egg roll wrappers. Adding about 2 tablespoons of filling to each wrapper, along with some egg wash to seal. Wrap them up until they look like this and you're ready to fry. Fry these off at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown and crispy. And there you have it. It's just that simple.
These are my buffalo chicken egg rolls.